Hey guys, Matt again. This is the Aaron InMoov robot I've been working on. Here is an eyeball camera. Here's the face. Here's a Kinect I'm going to put in the front. This whole thing's been printed using Lulzbot Taz 3D printer. Here's the next servo motor I'm doing right now. Here's the gears for it, and I don't have any of the chest motor in or the jaw motor together yet. I do have the pieces ready for that though. And here is a Raspberry Pi. I'm using the Python RPi GPIO library to do PWM. It's soft PWM, so it's not hardware. And I wrote a bash script here in order to use that and set the motor. And so here it goes. Ready? Center. It goes to the right, and then it goes to the left, and then back to center, and then all the way to the right, and then right 45, center, left 45, and then left, and then center, right 45, center, left 45, left. So anyway, it's working. I used olive oil to grease the gears, so that does work really well on ABS plastic. I was really surprised. So anyway, there you go. So this is the progress right now. Bye.